A warm greeting. Today is Thursday, November 13th, 2025. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia. In today's video I will be talking about the weather conditions expected over the next 3 days in Mexico, Florida, the Caribbean, and Central America, specifically between November 14th and 16th. In the video I will talk about a frontal system that will be moving during the weekend over parts of northern Baja California Sur. In addition, we will be talking about a cold front located over parts of the Caribbean, which, in combination with another cold front that will descend from the United States, will produce heavy rain in southern Quintana Roo and over Belize. I will also talk about additional rainfall expected across parts of eastern Cuba and in Costa Rica and Panama, associated with the Central American monsoon trough. So, the atmospheric systems that will be affecting the weather conditions during this weekend are limited to 3 frontal systems. The first one that will affect parts of northwestern Mexico, the frontal systems located in the Caribbean Sea region, and the monsoon trough in the Central American region. Let's now look at the rainfall projection from the American model. In particular, notice that a lot of rain is expected for parts of Belize and southern Quintana Roo, and for some areas of eastern Cuba. For example, the projection of the Doppler radar image from the American model shows heavy showers affecting northern Belize and southern Quintana Roo between Friday and through Sunday, while downpours will continue affecting areas of eastern Cuba during this weekend. And between Saturday and Monday the rain may shift over parts of the Dominican Republic. In addition, notice that the circulation associated with the monsoon trough will bring showers during the weekend to areas of Costa Rica, Panama, and southern Nicaragua. And if we look at the estimated rainfall totals from the American model for parts of eastern Cuba, during the next 3 days totals between 50 and 75 millimeters are anticipated. This may cause some flooding because the soils are saturated in parts of eastern Cuba, but notice that the highest rainfall totals should concentrate over southern Quintana Roo and northern Belize with rainfall amounts between 100 and 200 millimeters during this weekend, from Friday through Saturday. Meanwhile, for parts of Costa Rica, Panama, and eastern Nicaragua, between 50 and 75 millimeters may accumulate. By Sunday and Monday, rain associated with the frontal systems may reach parts of the Dominican Republic with totals between 25 and 50 millimeters. For the rest of the Caribbean and Central America, no significant rainfall accumulations are anticipated, as well as for the state of Florida, while in parts of the southern Bahamas between 25 and 50 millimeters may accumulate during this weekend. Now then, these frontal systems will continue bringing cooler than usual temperatures across the Dominican Republic, Haiti, Cuba, Jamaica, Florida, and the Bahamas with temperatures between 2 and 3 degrees Celsius below normal, as well as for parts of southern Mexico and Central America with temperatures between 2 and 3 degrees Celsius below normal. Now let's talk about the frontal system that will move over parts of northwestern Mexico. Notice that the American model projects that starting Saturday, a zone of moisture should move over northern Baja California, bringing heavy showers between Saturday and Sunday. And according to this projection, between 75 and 100 millimeters may accumulate between Saturday and Sunday. So, there is the possibility of some localized flooding in the northern half of Baja California. Aside from this, good weather conditions are anticipated across central Mexico, the state of Florida, Puerto Rico, the Lesser Antilles, and Nicaragua, Honduras, El Salvador, and Guatemala. Well, that's all for the weather conditions during this weekend. And before I go, I wanted to ask you to give this video a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and click the bell so you receive notifications when I record new videos. I will be recording the next video on Monday morning to talk about the weather conditions we anticipate for next week. I hope you all have an excellent weekend. See you later.